Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. First of all, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone in the UK from north, south, east, and west who booked an appointment with me and started their hair journey with me. Thank you guys so much for starting your hair journey with me, and some of you traveled a long way to get to my location, but it was all worth the journey. I'm sure of it, because you guys have been showing off some extreme hair growth within a short period of time. So big up on yourself. The hair growth is real, guys. So if you're in London, UK, please find my booking details in the description box below. If you're not in the UK, please follow me on Instagram to get some advice on how to maintain your hair. So for those of you who have been following my husband's hair journey, you can see that his hair isn't short anymore. He has long hair now. So I started a new hair journey with my son Kai. We started his hair journey 2 weeks ago. I coiled his hair, but that did not grow his hair at all. And the reason for that is because there weren't enough grip on his scalp. And in order for your hair to grow fast from this length, the scalp needs to be gripped on regularly. So today, I am going to use some rubber bands to grip his hair into small sections like box braids. And then I will massage my mixture into the scalp right after. So guys, please follow my son Kai on Instagram to keep up with his hair journey. I will leave that link below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram also to stay updated with my recent hairstyles and tutorials. Last but not least, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for all your support, and please turn your notifications on as great things are happening. Yeah. Great things are happening. Yeah. Please keep all your negativities to yourself. My grandmother always tell me, if you don't have anything good to say, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Bye bye for now, and I hope to see you guys on my next premiere. Up, up.